Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So there was a discussion on LinkedIn about this new Shopify feature which was launched on 17th September and officially launched by Shopify. This is change log. Basically, all the changes that Shopify does to its platform is listed in change log and it can be accessed from a changelog.shopify.com. So you can see all the new Shopify changes that are not yet released or they have been released. Like Shopify also lists that they are going to release the new feature. So this feature is released and it was released on 17th of September. Today is 19th of September. So this is a new post obviously just 2 days ago and it is implemented. There has been multiple stances regarding from the developers and the store owners whether this update is helpful or not, but I will give you my own stance later on. Let's first check the feature. So this is my Shopify store or development store, it doesn't matter, but the feature will work like this. So you have to click on Sidekick. If you are not aware, Sidekick is an AI assistant. If you if you're running a Shopify store, obviously you ask a lot of queries from Google or Chat GPT or any other AI tools, but this is a better way to communicate with Shopify because this is just made for Shopify, and you can say is a personal Shopify assistant and it does the things for you also. Basically it guides you in a better way. So I will check the app comparison feature and let's see how it works, and then I will give you my own stance as well. And if we click in the link guided search how to search it, it basically say that you have to ask about apps and then it will give you the recommendation. So I am running a wholesale products store and want to give my customers discounted price if they bulk order. What app do you recommend? Okay, so it will give us the recommendation. Before that, you go to Shopify app store and then search the apps manually, but now I'm giving prompt like AI assistant and let's see what it does. So it will suggest the app for us. This is a new feature and I will help you find apps that can. So it has just listed the three apps for me, and these I know these are good apps. I'm familiar with this app, but I'm not familiar with these two apps. I'm not sure how Shopify has recommended, whether it has recommended based on the reviews or the number of installations or generally whether the app is good or not. But as you can see, all the apps have 4.9 rating minimum. Okay, so discountly bulk or we have the apps recommendation for three. I have found several apps for a wholesale store, and then it has given us the summary as well, so I can choose them. So which app is better? Okay, so this is how it works. So you can also install the app from here. Like if you click on install, it will give you the option to install the app and it will guide you step by step, and like the normal app. So you don't have to click on the install app from the app store and then do all the process. Basically you can install the app from here, but I will not install it for now. I was just getting the recommendation from Shopify. So I will go down and now let's start a new conversation. And I want to add search for the app. For example, if my store is restricted and only 18 plus can access that store. For example, if I'm selling anything which is not legal to sell or not legal to run the ads. For example, I'm running uh, two and I want I only want the customers to access my store if they are 18 plus. What app do you suggest? So this feature is working really fine. So I have checked it before making this tutorial as well, and it is working fine as well. So Blockify age verification pop-up and NA age verification. If I open this app manually, Blockify Blockify verification. Blockify age verification. So yeah, let's see how much reviews does it got, and how is the app actually. So this has got like 214 reviews, a lot of reviews actually, and this is like free to install. Basic is 3.9, so it's good. App is good. So Shopify has given some good recommendation and apps, and it will compare the apps for us as well. So I want you to suggest an app which has the functionality of marketing, uh, product enhancement, and like one app contains more than 20 plus app features. So this is, I want to see if my favorite app pops up, which is Vitals app. So no, it hasn't popped up. So as you can see, this recommendation is not good. I don't like this recommendation because I have basically told the Shopify that one app should contain more than 20 plus apps. So I think this app is not contain 20 plus apps. This is a functionality of Vitals. I was just checking from the SEO point of view, but Shopify has not suggested. But as a normal store owner, or who is just starting, who doesn't have the idea, who don't have the idea of the apps, this is really cool feature. You don't have to do the hard work. So I think we have checked the functionality, how this feature actually works in Sidekick. But now my stance. So it is really good for the store owners because they don't have to do hard work. They can install the app from there. They can they will find the recommendation of only the best apps. So as a store owner, as a dropshipper, this is the best feature for you. But as a developer, or you can say as a app developer, or someone who is enthusiastic to develop the things, this feature is a little challenging because currently, as you can see, the Vitals app was not popping up. This is based on SEO, and I don't know how Shopify is recommending the apps because uh, 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 either it is recommending the apps based on the reviews, based on the installations, based on the features, and this is not yet revealed. So this is a new challenge for the app developers. They have to focus on SEO, and how they have to focus on SEO. I think it will take some time. They have to train the Sidekick that it should recommend their apps. This is a challenging thing. So for the app developers who have just launched the apps, this is not something good for them, because if you're launching a product recommendation app, and as there are like 100 plus apps, I'm supposing in Shopify App Store, it is very challenging to rank in Shopify Sidekick your app. It will take some time. I think you need to get some reviews, and then you will see the recommendation, because obviously the apps that are recommended by Shopify Sidekick get more installed automatically. This is a thing that can't be denied. Like in Chat GPT, if it is recommending a product, obviously it gets more sales. I have used a lot of products like which are suggested by Chat GPT, and people have actually trained the AI bots that they should recommend this app. So for the developers, you have to make sure, or the app developers, you have to make sure that you do multiple testing so that your app actually appears in the recommendation. But this feature is really cool, and you can also check the change log for the new Shopify pages. But this feature was really trendy in LinkedIn, and people were discussing. But this is my stance, and let me know if what are your reviews about it, and let's discuss in the comments. Thank you very much.